Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn your photo to chalk effect in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select these two images. And hit open. Cool. Now go to subject window. Take quick selection tool and select the subject. Then hit Ctrl C for copy the selected part. Go to the background window. Here hit Ctrl V to paste the subject. Perfect. Go to filter. Stylize, here select find edges. Now go to image, adjustments, and choose invert. Again go to image, adjustments, this time choose desaturate. Cool. Now go to filter, filter gallery. Here open artistic folder. And select rougher pastels. Here set stroke length to 0. Stroke detail to 15. Set the texture as canvas. Scaling 60%. Relief 15. Light direction bottom. And press OK. Now go to blend modes and choose screen. Perfect. Select the layer and hit on layer mask option below. Take the brush tool. Open the special effects brushes folder. Here select the spatter brushes section. Now brushing on the subject like this. Perfect. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer. Cool. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.